What if I told you that your personal brand is the key to unlocking your career and life that you always dreamt of? Whether you're trying to stand out in your industry, land your dream job, or build a loyal following, it's all about how you're going to position yourself online and offline. So today we're going to cut through the fluff and dive into how exactly build a personal brand that not only stands out but connects deeply. First thing first, let's clarify what personal brand actually is. It's not about cute logo or vibey Instagram feed. A personal brand is a story that people tell about you when you are not in the room. It's an emotional connection that people feel when they think about you. It's this magical je ne sais quoi that makes people queue up for your merch or binge watch your content like it's a Netflix marathon. Think of Taylor Swift. Her fans are not just her listeners, they are her tribe, they are her Swifties. And that's the true power of personal branding. And today I'm going to show you how to build one. So let's start with authenticity and vulnerability. And yes, unfortunately, that means you need to get comfy with sharing not only your highs, but also your lows. People don't vibe with perfection anymore. They vibe with you, your authentic you, your messy, relatable, tired, tried and failed, but got up again you. And creating truly authentic content is about balancing those two sides of your life. So you need to share your struggles for relatability, but also show how you overcame them and how you achieve your goal for that inspiration and aspiration aspect. That's the secret sauce of building a long lasting connection with your audience. And remember, authenticity is not about oversharing, it's about sharing just enough to build that realness. Next up, you need to have POV, point of view. If you are a people pleaser, this might stink a bit, but the truth is that the world doesn't need another beige personality. Take a stand, say what you believe in, make some waves, and yes, you may ruffle some feathers, but guess what? This is where the magic happens. Your POV is what makes you unique and makes you unforgettable. And remember, standing up for something that you believe in is not the same as being controversial just to get attention. This is giving oops, my sex tape was leaked vibes, and we are not here for it. Next, we have consistency. And I bet you heard it many, many times before that consistency is key. But guess what? It really is. You can think of consistency in two ways. First, it's showing up in the same way across all the platforms and in real life. Think of what you represent, about your style, tone of voice, and even energy and your vibes. They all have to feel like you. Think of it like a playlist. If someone's gonna hit shuffle, it still has to sound like the same album. Second way of looking at consistency, the one that I struggle myself sometimes, is being consistent in posting on social media. Algorithms are evolving and changing all the time. One day, algorithm might reward videos over pictures, and the other day, carousels are the it thing. But guess what? Never changes. Consistency. It's great for algorithm and it's great for humans as well. So commit to realistic posting schedule. If you cannot post 7 days a week, that's absolutely fine. Maybe you can post 5 times a week from Monday to Friday or 3 times a week every other day. For example, my posting schedule for 2025 is Instagram on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, YouTube on Tuesday and Thursday, and weekends are my days off to decompress, relax, spend time with my friends and family, and charge my batteries for a busy week coming. Okay, so we have the theory behind us. Now let's get tactical. By the way, if you are serious about building your brand, whether personal or professional, I cannot recommend my book enough. Your Pocket Branding Bestie will guide you through the whole process of building your brand, and it's available almost worldwide via Amazon. And I'm gonna leave the links in the description box down below. So let's get back to business. And here are 3 steps that you can or even you should take today. First is to audit your online presence. Google yourself, see what comes in the results, and remember to look at the image results as well. Audit your social media accounts. See if your social media accounts are telling a consistent story and the story that you want to share with the world. And remember to check all those forgotten accounts from years ago. Nothing goes missing on internet. Second is to define your brand values. Choose 3 to 5 words that will truly represent you. For example, mine are branding, slowpreneurship, empowerment, innovation, and beauty. Lastly is to create content that matters. You can start small. You can share your inspiration, your production process. You can share valuable insights, lessons, and also share failures that shaped your journey. And remember, vulnerability is not a weakness, it builds connections. And here is what not to post when you are building your personal brand online. First, don't copy and paste, don't try to be someone else because originality wins every single time. Avoid polarizing topics like religion or politics unless they are part of your branding. And for the love of everything branding, don't overpromise and underdeliver. Be honest about who you are and what you can offer. Disappointment stays in people's minds for a long time. And if you struggle with setting up actionable goals and then achieving them, in this video, I'm sharing 7 scientifically proven methods to nail your goals like a boss that you are.